Group 18. Group 18 is actually Nurin Anisha and Shifa Hanani. Okay, now the comment is that, okay, sama juga citation. Citation on the World Health Organization ni by WHO, lepas tu bracket World Organization. So the same comment just now, how to write this correctly. So I've commented here because di sini you pakai what we call narrative citation, because narrative meaning this is part of the word, part of the sentence. So benda tu jadi macam ni lah ya. World Health Organization bracket WHO, 2021 close bracket states. Now this one example ni ada dalam in our slides ya. Dalam satu table saya tunjukkan contoh how to write this one. Okay, so this is more on the writing. Okay, now again this one just to betulkan grammar sikit lah ya. You have Collie and Dolly. Dole, not sure how to pronounce this, kalau Dole or Dolly, 2020. Okay, because ni dua orang, two person, dia plural. So it should be state. Tak ada states, no S, because Collie and Dolly is two person. Okay. Okay, and this one you say Umaira Muhammad Shah. So basically you have to use a surname. Jadi most probably dia jadi Muhammad Shah lah. Muhammad Shah. So if we go to reference, mana Umaira Muhammad Shah, this one, edit. Banyak. Actually there are multiple authors. Bila you buat tak betul, then that's why. Okay, this should be MD Shah, comma, Umaira, then semicolon. Okay, Mat Shah, comma, Umaira, semicolon. Sebab nama dia apa ya? Ain Umaira Muhammad Shah, Umaira saja. So if the name is Ain Umaira and the father's name is Mat Shah, it should be Mat Shah, comma, Ain Umaira, or Umaira Ain, tak tahu mana betul, semicolon. And then the next actually author will be Safri, comma, Nur Azri, semicolon. So saya tak tahu nama dia apa, Syafiqah or Nur Azri. So basically tengok balik ya. So basically what is actually nama dia ni apa? Nur Azri, Safri, Syafiqah. Syafiqah ni is like a single name. Mana ada orang single name? So basically these are the things that you kena tengok balik ya. In terms of the author name, apa nama sebenarnya the authors, betul-betul ya. So separatekan between nama dia dengan nama father's name. Kalau dia tak ada surname, tak ada family name like orang putih, what is the father's name? So separatekan. So you separatekan dengan comma. And between different authors, there is semicolon. Remember, semicolon for separate between different authors. Kalau to separate between surname or father's name dengan nama kita yang sebenar, nama kita yang given name, so you use a comma. Okay, so this is a proper way to do it. Okay, so you tengok balik ya, apa sebenarnya the authors here. Okay. Okay. So here okay, sini mistake dia, tengok, because this is what we call narrative citation. You tak boleh pakai ampersand here. Sini tak boleh you kena pakai N. Kalau ampersand, if it is in the bracket, kalau dalam bracket, dua-dua dalam bracket, okay, so you use this one, ampersand. But if this is part of a sentence, nampak ni sentence Collie and Dolly, so here should be AND, not the ampersand. Okay, sini you use KKM, use MOH Ministry of Health, MOH. Okay, yang ini you buat direct code, tak usah pakai direct code. So tak ada reason. Cabar ni nobody knows. Countries are now developing their own application to trace viruses journey. So basically yang tu it's just a statement. Memanglah semua orang, all countries ada. So it's nothing special to the extent that we need to quote apa dia cakap. Perhaps kalau kita nak cakap, kita nak quote to say that ni yang di-Pertuan Agong quote sok bertitah, and it's special dia punya word to retain the actual words, then you quote. Okay, tapi here although the quote is correctly done, okay, tapi dari segi in terms of the necessity, why is it you want to direct quote, tak ada logic di sebalik ni, because statementnya biasa je. You can paraphrase, just paraphrase. Sama juga paraphrase rather than using a direct quote. Paraphrase. Okay, this part, the last part, you are talking about the application that you want to create. Okay, because depends kalau yang ini you merujuk kepada, you are telling the story that this is what the application that I want to create, then benda ni tak suitable. But if benda ni just secara umum says that there is a need, okay, there is a need to develop an application yang macam ni, but without referring to that this is my application that I'm going to develop, then benda tu boleh. Tapi kalau you refer, you are talking about this is citizens are able to obtain current status, you are talking about application yang you want to develop ni. So basically benda ni tak suitable untuk diletakkan in the project background. Okay, problem statement, again, kalau ada citation baguslah, ya. Kalau ada citation bagus. Okay, sama juga, having citation to support the claim would improve the proposal. Tapi macam saya kata, sometimes boleh tak ada citation in the problem statement. Okay, but it must be clear that this problem has been addressed sebelum tu. Okay, in other sections. Okay, any question on this? Group 18? Boleh faham, ya? Okay, welcome. Okay, let's us go group 19. Group 19. Okay, this is group 19. Group 19 is Muhammad Haizat and Syaza Nadira. Ada ke? Okay. Okay, yang atas semua okay. Yang ini kan, okay, so basically okay, yang atas ni, this one Tok Sah gunakan, kalau you gunakan double quote ini, dia dah jadi macam quotation tau. So di sini you tak quote anything. So if you want to quote Black Death tu sendiri, you kena quote betul-betul. Kalau tidak, you nak just sebut Black Death plague lah. Ataupun you buat italic. Yang ini boleh italic without the double quote. Kalau you nak pakai, okay. Tapi yang lain semua okay. Okay, ini just okay, sama juga. So you buat ni World Health Organization. Okay, di sini dia ada WHO. Okay, but because saya buat just use sekali je, World Health Organization 2020, tak payah short form, tak payah abbreviation. Why? Because saya tengok dalam you punya dokumen, you pakai sekali je pun. You just use once, sekali je. Jadi tak perlulah ada bracket-bracket tu. Cukuplah gunakan World Health Organization. But bila benda ni you nak use multiple times, then you need to have this. Okay, so jadi because I see in the documents only once, okay, just sufficient untuk buat macam ni. Tak payahlah ada bracket WHO. No need to have this. Okay. Okay, project background, okay, semua okay, citation semua baik. Okay, now sama juga, this is to cite from Wikipedia. You tak letak Wikipedia, we use the title of the article. So Wikipedia is not an author. Wikipedia is more of a platform. Wikipedia tu satu platform, dia bukan satu author. So we cannot put this as an author. Sama juga similar to if someone write something on Facebook, you cannot say that Facebook 2021 because bukan Facebook yang cakap. It's basically someone else using the Facebook as a platform. So here you need to put in the title of article. If you have a date, you can put in the year. If not, benda tu just tinggal kosong, dia akan jadi ND not date, no date. Okay, ini ada citation. Okay, this is good. Okay, now I happy. Okay, now because you ada 4 example, ini baguslah you give your own example, so we know that this one comes from your own view. Yang ni boleh ini actually even if you look into slide kita yang actually today I've prepared a slides for today yang I ask you to actually how to write an effective literature review. So actually ada one category on for you to put the example, which is actually a good practice. Okay, cuma E ni lowercase. For example, E huruf kecil, okay, small lowercase here. It's a minor mistake. Okay, here now citation here. This is narrative. So if you want to put is part of sentence, you tak boleh. According to bracket here, you need to put benda ni macam ni je sesuai letak ujung. So I want either you don't use according, just say that start with here some of the visitors, start with S, some of the visitors, blah 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 blah. So sampai at the end of this one, this one, okay, this one move to ujung ni. Jadi parenthetical citation. Kalau you nak buat actually narrative, dia macam ni dia jadi macam ni. On the right, according to Channel News Asia, bracket 2020. But if you do like this, you have to do it manually. You cannot actually insert this using this tool. Okay, dia tak support. So basically you need to type this manually. Or kalau malas, buang the according to, take this part, letak di ujung sini pun boleh. Okay, sama juga. See, in Pover and Harun, sama juga this is narrative, so you should have macam ni in Pover and Harun, and spell A-N-D, bracket 2020. Okay, this is what we call narrative citation. This is actually in the chapter literature review part 2. Okay, dia tunjukkan how to write this. Okay, so jadi saya rasa ni is very good because this is, you see, many students groups did not place any citation to support the problem statement, but then you can, if you look hard enough, you can find citation to support what you actually mentioned here, which is good. Okay, so jadi benda ni is a good thing. Saya suka kerja awak. Just you need to actually minor things that you have to learn. This is not correct the way that you do things in terms of the citation. Okay, any question? Group 19. Okay, good work. Group 19. Okay, group 20. Okay, now group 20 tak apa group 20 is Nur Syazwani, Nur Nadira. Okay, yang ni langsung tak pakai template. Okay, tak apalah, saya komen jugalah, tak ada masalah lah. I don't deduct mark because you tak buat template apa semua, as long as the content is there. Okay, ada ke? Ada students here just asking. Kalau tak ada pun tak apa. Ada ke? Saya tak jadi perempuan lagi, masih laki-laki tulin. Okay. Okay, now this one. Okay, ini worldometer. Okay, ni worldometer ni W ni uppercase, but this is a proper noun. Proper noun nama kata, nama khas. You have to start with uppercase. Walaupun in the website this put is lowercase, but you should put this as uppercase. Worldometer, W uppercase. Okay. Okay. Here it says that according to the document from WHO website. So basically, if you think that there is a document, cite directly the document. But if it says that Bender said, according to Bender, that according to a document from the website, I mean, this is like nested. Bender says there is a document, and the document says Itu berbelit-belit. So senang, tak payah mention. Do not mention langsung. Start off dengan the name COVID-19 is defined as a disease. Sort of start from here. And vendor says this. Unless you want to go and find the document from the WHO website, then do not cite vendor. Cite directly WHO. Terus go and look for this document. No need to mention vendor at all. Okay. Okay, yang ini I say that almost repeating the phrase in paragraph 1. Ini berulang. So you want to talk about coronavirus disease 19. This is the new discovered disease, macam redundant. This is sort of redundant. Jadi tak payah ada dua kali lah. It's redundant. Okay, project background. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. This cited correctly. Okay, this one dia mention Hui. Okay, sampai sini okay. Okay, sampai the last one, there's no citation here. So it has shown a great improvement. Where do you get this information? Where do you get this information that it has shown a great improvement? So if you did make this kind of statement very specific, kan, you need citation. Atau kalau you tak ada citation, just do not have this. Tak payah ada. Okay, so make sure that you have citation. Yang ni ni ya, tak ada apa-apa lah. Department of Statistics Malaysia. Dia macam ni This is how you write this. Department of Statistics Malaysia. Tak ada comma lagi. So meaning that in between Department of Statistics and Malaysia, no need a comma. Terus Department of Statistics Malaysia. So dekat dalam, when you manage your source, write this as Department of Statistics Malaysia as the author. This is corporate author. Yang ini corporate author. So jadi reference ni okay. Ini you type betul-betul Jangan pakai uppercase. Don't use all caps lock. Okay, tak payah comma sini Department of Statistics Malaysia. Macam ni pun semua, walaupun actually it is printed uppercase on the website itself, you janganlah buat uppercase, buat proper case lah okay, buat proper title case pakai title case. Okay, yang ni okay, bagus. Okay, ni one problem statement. So again lah, I say that if you have a citation, that would make your work better. Okay, any question? Group 20? Boleh Okay, lastly, lastly, we have group 21. Ini group yang tak tahu muncul dari mana. Not in the list. Muhammad Abdul Zafir. Ada ke? Is the student here? Muhammad Abdul Zafir? Is Muhammad Abdul Zafir here? Tak ada. Okay. Tak apalah, komen je. No citation. There's no citation here. There's no citation here. Okay, here my comment is that tak mau pakai this bullet because you need to write a full sentence. Okay, in proposal, in thesis, you cannot write. If even you use bullet, you must use a proper sentence to explain. Now here, there's no proper sentence to explain. It's like dash dash dash. It's like bulleted. And again, this work, there's no citation whatsoever. So macam tu lah. The work without any citation. Okay, so I think I'm done. Okay, ada satu group tadi yang saya tak tengok langsung because langsung dia tak bagi any plagiarism punya checking. You tak check plagiarism, you don't give it. Saya tak tengok langsung the whole thing. So it's like an automatic 0. As easy as that. Okay, I think that's it for today. So gone so long. Okay, thank you very much. If anyone is here, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Okay. Okay.